ANA won't retire the A385. Surprising reasons why. Hey everyone, welcome back to Travel Guide. While most airlines are rushing to retire their Airbus A380s, All Nippon Airways (ANA) is doing the opposite. Their three Superjumbos, the youngest A380 fleet in the world, aren't going anywhere soon. Today, we're breaking down the 5 key reasons why ANA is keeping the flying Honu turtles flying on the Tokyo-Honolulu route. Stick around for the full story. Point 1. Extremely young fleet. ANA's A380s entered service around 2019 and spent significant time grounded during the pandemic. This means they have low flight hours and decades of life left. CEO Juichi Hirasawa recently confirmed there's no retirement schedule because these aircraft are practically brand new compared to other operators' older frames. With plenty of structural and economic life remaining, retiring them early simply doesn't make financial sense. Point 2. Perfect route fit, Tokyo to Honolulu. The A380 shines on this high-demand leisure route popular with Japanese tourists. The massive 520-seat capacity, 8 first, 56 business, 73 premium economy, 383 economy, matches the heavy traffic perfectly. Passengers love the spacious cabins, and the plane turns a solid profit on this specific corridor where frequency and comfort matter. ANA has dedicated the entire fleet exclusively to Narita-Honolulu flights. Point 3. Iconic flying Honu liveries and brand value. Each A380 features a unique sea turtle livery, Laney, blue, Kai, green, and La, orange. These eye-catching designs have become beloved brand ambassadors. Retiring them would mean losing this strong visual identity and passenger excitement that sets ANA apart in the competitive Japan-Hawaii market. Point 4. No immediate replacement available. Boeing 777X delays mean ANA doesn't have an easy successor ready. The CEO noted they simply don't have time to hunt for a replacement right now. Even if new aircraft arrive later, they can simply keep pushing back any potential A380 retirement without disrupting operations. Point 5. Strong economics on this mission. On the right route with high passenger willingness to pay for the A380 experience, the Superjumbo remains a money-maker. Combined with low utilization needs and excellent reliability on this single-route pair, the economics work beautifully for ANA's small fleet of just 3 aircraft. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.